do y'all see these twists? Do y'all see these twists? I'm about to put y'all on real quick, so I need y'all to go ahead and pause this video and say thanks, sis, for putting me on, because really, you can't get no better than this.
Many people tell me my style is terrific, stupendous, tremendous. I've been just a little bit more than the average whore, cause I'm focused. I rock Versace lamps and sofas.
What's up, Urban Mafia? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shay Shakur, bitch, the only urban goddess on this YouTube platform. Like, sis, did you forget? So today in this video, I'll be showing you guys these bomb crochets that I received from Janet Collection. So before we get started, I want to give a big thanks to Janet Collection for sending me this hair. I freaking love it, okay? And it is trending, and I know you guys gonna love it too. I know you guys gonna love it too, because honey, people be sitting in a chair for like 9 hours just to get this look. But baby, it took me only an hour, not only that, to get this look. And honey, I'm not even finished. So Janet Collection has a new collection out. It's called the Lentgh Tress. I hope I said it right. So the Lentgh Tress line features the Passion Twist crochet hair. They have blunt box braids, goddess box braids, single leaf twists, and faux locks, which is popping for the spring and summertime. So I have 6 packs of the Lentgh Tress Passion Twist. I have it in the inch 24 and I have it in the color 1B. So I want to show you guys a little bit of me installing these crochet twists. It's not a tutorial because there are plenty of crochet hair tutorials. So pretty like the same basics, and towards the end I will show you guys some styles. So let's get into it.
Okay, let me tell y'all something. This is my first time doing my crochet braids by myself, and not only that, I'm doing these with nails. So I'm just going to show you guys like little bits and pieces of me trying to crochet my hair, but I really had to get off camera just to do it because I was just having such a hard time latching the stuff into my head.
It's only my 3rd day out here. Yo.
So one thing that I do like about these crochet braids is that they are extremely lightweight. They sent me 6 packs and I used about 4, maybe 5.5 packs just to get a full head. And the look, as you can tell, is already effortless and it looks so freaking natural. It looks like I literally sat in a chair just to get my hair twisted up.
This is a tagged.
It's you and me, and we making arrangements. I see you simple, baby. I'ma keep simple with you, baby.
So at this point, I'm just putting in some mousse just to maintain the twist, just to knock out little frizz that I do have. And at this point, y'all, just enjoy the hair pouring. This twist looks amazing.
Hey girl, hey. Was that whack? I feel like that was whack. Oh well. If you made it this far into the video, you are the bomb.com. Period. So as you guys can tell, I am in love with this crochet hair. So if y'all want to go ahead and get this look instead of sitting in the chair for 9 freaking hours, then I will leave the link to this hair in the description box below. I want to give a big thanks to Journey Collection again for sending me this hair, y'all. This is only 5 packs, if not that 4. Like, this is only 5 packs and this hair is super duper lightweight. And I had to throw on my little spring dress because I'm in the spring spirit. But yes, you guys, thank you so much for watching Urban Mafia. We are almost to 10K. Let's run this video up with likes, comments, and if you're new, go ahead and subscribe. And yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. Whoa.
You know I get out there quick. What they said, tell them get on my dick. Stepped out, not like a brick.